Students, now this is the second video of the topic Fundamental Operations of class 7th, subject Mathematics. Students, in the first video, we discussed about the addition of algebraic expressions. Now we are going to discuss the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So let us start. First question is, we have to subtract 3xyz from 0. From 0 means we will subtract 3xyz from 0. Means 0 will come first. That is 0 minus 3xyz. So this is nothing. So it means this will be our answer. This is very simple. Now let us move to next question. Here we have to subtract 2a plus 3b from 5a minus 7b. Now listen, we have discussed that we can add the like terms only. In the same way, we can only subtract the like terms. Also, there are two methods. First is horizontal method, then is column method. So you can follow any method. Now, we have to subtract this expression from this expression. It means this will come first, minus what we have to minus this expression. Now students, don't forget to put the bracket. In the addition, it is not necessary to put the bracket, but in the subtraction, it will be better, or you can say that it is necessary to put the bracket. So now minus bracket open, then second expression. Now we know that if there is negative sign, listen very carefully, if there is negative sign outside the bracket, it means the internal signs will get change. Change means plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So let us write 5a as such minus 7b as such. Don't change the signs of this expression. Clear, children? So now 5a minus 7b minus 2a. See, here it was plus sign. So after opening the bracket, plus is becoming minus. Here also plus is becoming minus. So this is the expression we got now. Now let us combine the like terms. 5a and minus 2a, they both are like terms. 5a minus 2a will give you 3a. Minus 7b minus 3b will give you minus 10b. Now there is no term left. So this is our final answer. Now let us move to third question. In the third question, we have to subtract this expression from this expression. And I am following here column method. In the same way, we have written this expression first. and then we have written second expression. Students, in the column method, we are not putting the bracket. So what will we do here? We will interchange the signs here. That is, here it was plus, it will become negative. Here it was minus, becomes plus. Here it was minus, becomes plus. So now 11 minus 3 will give you 8a square. 7 plus 2 will give you 9b square. Then minus 9 plus 7 will give you minus 2c square. Now listen carefully. Once you have changed the signs, now you will see only these signs. Now you will not see these signs. Ignore these signs now. Means 11 not plus 3. 11 minus 3. 7 not minus 2. 7 plus 2. Then minus 9 not minus 7. Minus 9 plus 7. Clear, children? Means you will look after only these signs. Clear, children? Now let us move to next question. Subtract this expression from this expression. Now you can follow any method. I am doing here horizontally. So first of all, I'll write this expression minus 5x4 minus 6x cube y plus 7x square y square minus 8xy square minus 19y4. Now let us start combining the like terms. First of all, we will open the bracket. Don't forget to put this bracket, children. Now, on opening the bracket, we will interchange the signs because there is negative sign outside the bracket. So see here it was plus, will become minus. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Minus plus. Clear? Now 3x4 minus 5x4 will form minus 2x4. These are two like terms. So I have collected and written the final answer. Then 5x square y square, then minus 7x square y square will give you minus 2x square y square. For your convenience, you can keep them in a single bracket, then you can add them. Fine. Now minus 12y4. Is there any term containing y4? Yes, this is the term containing y4. Now minus 12 plus 19 will give you 7. 7y4. Then this we have already used. Next is 6x cube y. There is no other term containing x cube y. So this will remain as such. Then this we have already used. Then we are left with 8xy square. Now there is no term containing xy square. So it means we are left with this term only. So now this is our final answer. Clear? Now The next question is, how much smaller is 5a square minus 7ab plus 9b square than 8a square minus b square? Now students, we have to tell how much smaller is this term than this term. I know some students will get confused that from which term we have to subtract. So now listen very carefully. I am telling you one way which helps you to do this question very easily. Fine? Let us suppose this whole expression as A and this expression as B. Now for 1 minute, just ignore these big expressions. Clear? Now, this is A and this is B. Now we have to see how much smaller is A than B. How much smaller is A than B? Means which is bigger? B is bigger. It means from B we will subtract A. So this is B. I have put the bracket here, value here, minus A. A is what? 5a square minus 7ab plus 9b square. So now open the bracket, and you know now that on opening the bracket with negative sign outside, we interchange the signs. So this plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. Now, in the same way, we will combine the like terms. Now, 8a square minus 5a square will give you 3a square. Minus b square minus 9b square will give you minus 10b square. Then we are left with the term 7ab, and there is no term containing ab, so this will come as such. So finally we got 3a square minus 10b square plus 7ab. Clear? Now let us move to next question. How much should be added to this expression to get this expression? Means what we add here to get or to equals to this expression. Now again, I know you will get confused from which we have to subtract or from which we have to add. So let us do like this. How much should be added to, let us rename it A, and let us rename it B. It means what number we add in A to get B. This question is saying this now, that what number should be added to A to get B. And we have to find this. We have to find this question mark. So if you see here, this will remain as such and A will go to that side. And if it will go to that side, its sign will get changed. Here it is plus, so there it will become negative. So it means what will I do? B minus A. That is B is this. This is B minus A. So you can see I have just put their values. Value of B is y square plus y plus 1 minus what is the value of A? 8y cube minus 3y minus 4. Now opening the bracket, and what we will do? We will interchange the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and minus will become again plus. Now y square, there is no term containing y square. So y square will remain y square. Then y plus 3y will become 4y. You can also write 4y first. There is no issue. Then minus 8y cube. There is no term containing y cube. So this will remain as such. Then plus 1 plus 4, that is plus 5. So this is your final answer. You can also write it rearranging way, that is minus 8y cube, the term containing highest power, then plus y square, then plus 4y, then last constant term. Clear? Now let us move to next question. What must be added to sum of x plus 3y and x minus 5y? Means what should we add to sum of this and this? Means it is very clear that first of all we will find their sum. So let us find their sum. X plus 3y plus x minus 5y. Now x and x like terms will give you 2x. 3y minus 5y will give you minus 2y. Now let us read further. What must be added to this we have done? And what we got? 2x minus 2y. So instead of writing sum of x plus 3y and x minus 5y, can I write 2x minus 2y now? Now it will be easy. So what must be added to 2x minus 2y so that the resulting sum is 5x minus 2y? Let us solve this question. Now see children, I have written this question. What must be added to sum of x plus 3y and x minus 5y so that the resulting sum is 5x minus 2y. So first of all, we will find the sum of x plus 3y and x minus 5y. X plus 3y plus x minus 5y. This will become 2x. 3y minus 5y will become minus 2y. So now the question becomes, what must be added to sum we have already find out. What must be added to 2x minus 2y so that the resulting sum is this. Can I write like this? What must be added to this? We don't know what we have to add. So let us put the question mark. What must be added to this so that the resulting sum is 5x minus 2y? Now, this is you have to find out. So this will remain as such, and this whole expression will move to that side. So what will I write? 5x minus 2y. Now here is plus sign. It will become negative. Here is negative sign. It will become positive. So now combine the like terms. 5x minus 2x, that is 3x, and minus 2y plus 2y will get cancelled. So this is our final answer. Now the next question is, the sum of two expressions is this, and one of them is this, then what will be the other expression? Let us name this expression a very big expression. Let us simply write it A. And let us simply write this whole expression is B. Now let us frame the equation. The sum of two expressions is this. If one of them is B, then find the other. Let us name the other is C. Now, sum of two expressions, that is, one is B, which is already given to you, and other is C, which you have to find out. Their sum is given to you A. As you can see here, the sum I have named it A. So now the question becomes, the sum of B and C gives you A. A you know, B you also know, and you have to find out C. If I keep C here and move B there, so I'll get A minus B. Clear? Now you have to put just the values of A and B. Now what is A? That is 36A4 minus 22A cube plus 27AB square minus B cube. Minus what you have to subtract? B. And what is the value of B? Bracket 2B cube plus 17A4 minus 13A cube B. Now you have put the values of A and B. Now let us solve this. Open the bracket. 36A4 minus 22A cube B plus 27AB square minus B cube minus 2B cube minus, signs I am changing, 17A4 plus 13A cube B. Now combine the like terms. 36A4 minus 17A4. What we get, children? Yes, we get 19A4. Then minus 22A cube b, then plus 13a cube b will give you minus 9a cube b. Clear? Then 27ab square. There is no other term containing ab square. So this will remain as such. Then minus b cube. Minus b cube and minus 2b cube. This will become minus 3b cube. Clear? Now, in the 9th question, you have to simplify 8a plus 3b minus 7c minus 7a plus 2b minus 3c plus 9c plus 11a minus b. This whole is a single expression and there are like terms also. So, first of all, let us combine the term containing a. 8a minus 7a plus 11a. Put them in a single bracket. Then the terms containing b plus 3b plus 2b minus b. Again we have put them in a single bracket. Then minus 7c minus 3c plus 9c. Again we have put them in a bracket. So 11 plus 8, 19 minus 7, 12. 5 minus 1, 4 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 plus 9 will give you minus 1. Now the next question is, a stick is cut into 3 pieces of length. The first length is this, the second length is this, and the third length is this. Means you have a stick like this and it is cut into 3 pieces. The first length is given to you. The second length is given to you. Also they have given you the third length. Now you have to find the original length. So it's very clear from here that you will add all the lengths. That is first length, second length, then third length. So again now we have to add. So we will combine the like terms. What we get here? 5x minus 4y plus 11z. Now let us discuss the last question of simplification, and here I am following the column method. 8a, write down 8a. 5b, write down 5b. Then 9c, write down 9c. Now the next term is minus 3a, and we have already written the term containing a. So it means minus 3a will come here. Then the term is plus 2b, and there is also the term containing b. So plus 2b I will write here. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 9 plus 0, because there is no other term containing c, so I will write 0 here. Rather than leaving the space, you can simply put 0. So now 9c plus 0 gives you 9c. So this is your final answer. Now children, you have to try exercise 2a, 2b, only marked questions in your maths register. I hope now addition and subtraction of expressions is clear to you. Thank you children.